Good afternoon, traders. Today we're making this review from May 31st, 2017. Today we're looking at crude market and the Nasdaq. Okay, here is the 5,000 tick chart from the crude oil. As you can see, the big sell-off. Okay, so the market bounced back and it was great opportunities for today to trade. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is the market opened. We have bullish divergence to the upside in the lower part of the channel. So well, we took a trade over here and we got a little bit scared because it was a downtrend and the market took off, and well, that's trading. Okay, so well, we continue today. The market did a sell-off. I don't know if you can see the red wicks over here. That's from the correlator. Over here, we're correlating the Canadian dollar and the crude oil. So we see the order flow making a correlation. You can see over here, it was red, red, red. You can see the wicks, and it was heavy momentum to the downside. Okay, so we can see here we got bullish divergence. The market took went to the upside again. Well, in a choppy way, but always, as you can see, there was this red wicks over here is heavy selling. Okay, so we see bullish divergence again with exhaustion. We did some trades and we just it wasn't that great, but after all we did another one over here, and this was like a consolidation around here. Maybe you can see the consolidation over here, and well, the market just took off back the upside, and we saw an opportunity. It was big buying over here, as you can see, with big buyers. And the market, we opened the trade, and with the market, we took like 20 or 30 ticks, more than enough. But the market kept on going, and we didn't get that on the other side of the trade. So it was a good day. Okay, so after all, we had divergence. The market shooted outside the bands over here. So the market went into the bands again, and was a little bit like choppy. Okay, so let's see. Well, the market went all the way down to the lower part of the channel, multi-time frame channel, and took off, but we didn't take this trade. So that's it for the crude oil. So we have an exhaustion pattern right over here. This is golden. When you see this pattern over here, it's the market's gonna bounce back. Okay, so as you can see, it was a good volatility. Okay, with good volume. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at the Nasdaq. Okay, as we can see, the Nasdaq over here. This is the sell-off from morning, and then when the market bounced back, it consolidated a bit, and it went back to the upside. So this market is not bearish, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see over here, well, the market was market open. We have exhaustion pattern. They said it was gonna take it to the upside with bullish divergence, but there was more selling than buying over here, as you can see in this side. So the market took a dive, and we took a trade over here, as you can see. Maybe you can see the red, and we scaled out over here and over here, and the market kept on going, 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 going. Well, we lost that part of the trade, so but enough is enough. Okay, that's why we put over here. This is it's like catching a falling knife. Okay, are you gonna catch a falling knife? No, I don't think so. The market is very heavily to the downside until we see a little bit of stabilization. Okay, now we see more buyers over here in the bid ask. Okay, so they started to push the market to the upside. Okay, and it was after that big sell-off. You need to be aware that the market's gonna be people's gonna be taking profits. Others, late comers, are gonna be selling. So you gotta be careful. So let's see the pattern over here. We had a bullish divergence over here near the channel. Remember, you need to trade near the channels. Okay, so and you need to confirm with the bid ask momentum. Okay, And well, we had order book saying we're gonna go to the downside, but it was a fake. So market just went to the upside. Over here we see this. You can see over here bullish, this bullish buying over here. You can see it's very strong to the upside. Okay, so that would be a good trade over there. Okay, let's see. Well, market. This was a good one too over here. Well, market did a push to the upside. Over here we have a lot of selling, as you can see. A lot of selling over here, consolidation and divergence to the downside. It was on the upper side, outside of the bands, and this is a good place to trade, to place a trade with caution. Okay, always with caution. Nothing is guaranteed in these markets. Nothing. Don't take anything for granted. Okay, you need. That's why those day trading systems in a box don't work, because they are too naive. So okay, so there's a recipe for disaster. So you're gonna be the computer. Imagine that even you get sometimes fooled by this day trading systems algorithms. They don't cost you $100. So guys spend millions of dollars developing these softwares. Okay, so we're human beings. Okay, so we need to pay our bills. So we need to focus on something that is concrete and something that can work. Okay, so we're not over here making telling you that this is gonna be a day trading software for you for automating some. No, it's not gonna work. Okay, this is something for you to understand the market, for you to understand when to buy and sell. Okay, so you get an idea in anticipation. That's all the conditions over here. You need to anticipate what the market is trying to do. Okay, so I always preach the same thing all over and over again. Okay, okay. As you can see over here, short condition. As you can see over here, this is a P. This is from the order book. Okay, so when you see a P or a green or red over here, this is high frequency tradings, making a big trades at relatively small amounts of time. Okay, so this can be half a second, and you can have over here printed 500 ticks. Okay, so as you can see, these guys are really. This is over here. You can see. Look at this. Where was the piece located? In the upper part of the band. Over here, it was in the lower part of the band. What does that tell you? That these guys work in the upper and the lower parts of the band. Those are where the great opportunities give you. Like I always say to people, okay, how much money do you need? How many ticks do you need? How much money? $300, $500, or you're mainly trading binary options. Okay, if you trade binary options, you can have enough time to trade. 5 minutes, okay, 10 minutes. Don't go with that 60-second thing, because you're not gonna make money. Okay, as you can see over here, we have the 3 continuous P's. This was like maybe 1,500 orders at the same time in a matter of less than a second. And what happened? Look at the market. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Uh-huh. They were waiting the market over here, and they just pushed and pushed. Here's order book to the upside again. Okay, this is confirmation, guys. This is what I always tell people. Okay, you need this set of indicators is to help you out to understand what the market is doing. Okay, you gotta be aware that sometimes the market is not in a harmony. For example, yesterday, the market was like, well, in the morning they traded to the upside. Okay, they make a big push to the upside. Well, we make enough money yesterday. It was like about 20 minutes and we were done. Okay, so after that, the market just pulled down a bit and consolidated, and they never did anything anymore. So that's what I'm telling you. You need to make just enough money so you can do. You pay your bills or something, because you're not a computer. You're not a computer. You need to take your money and run away. Okay, if you want to make enough money, if you want to quit your day job or something, You can do replay at night. If you come, you can do replay. You can study again. You need to learn by watching. Everything is by looking at the software, trading day by day, every day. You're gonna learn when to trade and when not to trade, because the signals are not perfect. They just print because the conditions are met. But it all depends on you. It all depends on you, the trader, to do the trading. Okay, so just don't leave everything to the computer, because I mean to the computer, the signal, because you need to learn when to enter the market. Okay, so this was a great trade today, trading day today. And well, I'm signing off, guys. I'm offering this software for you. It's only $99. You can go at there's a link from Gumroad. Okay, there's a PayPal uh, available for you to purchase. And this is a great day trading software. Okay, if you're trying to do this binary options, like I told you before, it's okay. You can use it. Okay, it's very useful. It gives you clear signals and where to buy and where to sell. And if you use it for futures trading, it's okay too. You can use it. It will help you a lot. It will keep you away from doing big mistakes that we always do, because we don't have a clue where the market is. Over here we can pick up, even if you come late to the party, you can pick up and see and detect what the market is doing. If they're hesitating, and the divergence lines are very cool for that. Okay, they can give you lots of information real time, so you just pick up where you left, or maybe if you trade too late, you come too late to the party, so you can learn where the market is going, so you don't just push buttons like crazy, because you're gonna lose all your money. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for today. The divergence reversal momentum software. There's the purchase link in the description below. Okay, it's only $99. It's very economic, and you're gonna learn a lot. Okay, so guys, I'm signing off, and have a great evening, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.